Find the derivative of the function and simplify your answer. F of x equals the quantity x cubed minus 5 over 2x plus 7 raised to the fourth power. Since we have a fraction being raised to the fourth power, and we can call an inside function this entire fraction, and an outside function the fourth power, we will need to use the chain rule. So the chain rule states that in order for us to find the derivative, f prime of x, we need to take the derivative of the outside function, and since that's the fourth power, it'll be 4, move the 4 exponent to the front, take one away from 4 to become a power of 3, and we'll leave the inside of that alone. X cubed minus 5 over 2x plus 7. And to that, we need to multiply the derivative of what's on the inside. X cubed minus 5 over 2x plus 7. In order to find the derivative of what's on the inside, we need to use the quotient rule. So we already know that this will be part of our answer. So I'm going to include this in our answer at the very bottom. Minus 5 over 2x plus 7 cubed. And to that, we will multiply the derivative of this. So I will be working out the derivative of that quotient rule and then multiplying it at the very end. So the derivative of the quotient rule says we start with the numerator. We start with the denominator, 2x plus 7, and we multiply that by the derivative of the numerator, x cubed minus 5. From that we subtract the x cubed minus 5, which is the numerator, and to that we multiply the derivative of the numerator, 2x plus 7, all divided by the denominator squared. So in order to simplify or to fully find the derivative of our quotient rule, we need to find the derivatives of what's left in the numerator. And when we do that, we get 2x plus 7. The derivative of x cubed minus 5 by the power rule is just 3x squared minus x cubed minus 5 times the derivative of 2x plus 7 by the power rule is just 2. In the denominator, we still have 2x plus 7 squared. From the previous slide, we have our derivative, but this derivative is far from simplified. Notice that we have 2x plus 7 in this red fraction, and we have some more 2x plus 7 in the green fraction. In order to make this entire expression simpler, we can distribute the cube to the top and to the bottom of that fraction, giving us 4 times x cubed minus 5 the quantity cubed over 2x plus 7 the quantity cubed. and we still have that multiplied 2, the 2x plus 7 times 3x squared minus x cubed minus 5 times 2 all over 2x plus 7, the quantity squared. This allows us to combine these two denominators into one denominator. So when we multiply this thing cubed times this thing squared, we get this thing to the 5th power. So we have 4 times x cubed minus 5 all over 2x plus 7 to the 5th power. And when you go through and distribute the 3x squared and the 2 and combine like terms, you get 4x cubed plus 21 x squared plus 10. Here is your simplified derivative.